So in this video we will talk about the Borg design pattern. So in Borg design pattern, it's also manage the shared state using the dictionary object of the class. So in Python, if you declare, like, if object is a class and you declare the instance, it will check in the dictionary object. If the instance is present, then it will return it, or it will then check the Python hierarchy for the object, for the attribute. So so Borg design pattern is mainly practical implementations are logging and metric, multi-threaded multi-processing environment, and database connection pooling. So here is the implementation of the Borg design pattern. So here we have declared a shared state in which if class is if state is defined, then we will uh, we will put the equal of the uh, put the shared state to the dictionary. Sorry for the bubbling. Uh, Starting new on YouTube. So here we have defined the class name equal to last name, and if name is input in the class initialization, then we return it as an we initialize the name, and if it don't have a name, then we give it a default value. So here we have done simple doc test to check it. So it will pass. Okay. Yeah, this one. Sorry. So we will run again. Yeah, this time it will. But if we change it to car one name was Maruti, so if we change it, so this time it will fail. Yeah, one test fail out of 7. So it should be Tata. Yeah. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share.